welcome to my family YouTube channel. I'd like to introduce you to my family, my brother, my father, my mom, and me. So today I'm gonna show you my family. I'm gonna introduce you to my family. This is my brother. He is playing with sand. He is playing with sand. He loves playing with anything with sand. With sand. Look at this. He is playing with sand, and I love him. And the mom and my father. I am going to them right now. This is my father. What? And this is my mother. And I like to introduce you to my friends. They are playing, but I don't want to play with them because I'm making a video. From Mizo, we live in Lucknow. Please like and subscribe.